Very, very happy. Should have been more. Should have been maybe 5 or more, but you know, brilliant, fantastic hat trick from Pierre, Danny Bukayo, Very, very happy, very, very happy, very, very happy. And hopefully on first, Pierre, Danny Bukayo.
Hi, welcome to AFTV 2-1 here at the Emirates to the Arsenal.
Yes.
Points very much needed. How was it for you?
Fucking buzzing, bro. I'm buzzing. I've told everyone last time. Yeah, I said one thing. I said we had the best young team in Europe. Fuck that. We got the best young team in the world, bro. Yeah. Wait. I heard something. Whoa. I like it. And we got Martinelli, we got Gabriel, we got Tierney, we got Ben White, we got Aaron fucking Ramsey! Yeah! Fuck that, bro! We're getting Champions League, we're coming top 4, yeah? Fuck the other teams, yeah? We're gonna be smashing it in the Champions League next year. Fucking believe it! Tune into Andrew!
Thank you, bro.
Whooped it, bitch, I'm outside of some movie.